Hi students, my name is Ruchika. I welcome you to Success CD's Education. Students of CBSE class 10th, subject English Communicative. I'll tell you the exam pattern and the structure of the question paper. I'll talk about the weightage given to the different sections and the design of the question paper. This is available on the official website of the CBSE. Here you can see it will be a 90 marks paper. In this, section A, reading skills, will carry 20 marks. Section B, writing skills with grammar, will carry 25 marks. Section C, literature textbook and long reading text, will be for 25 marks. And section D, that is assessment of speaking and listening, will be for 20 marks. Here is a further breakdown of marks. Section A of reading, which is of 20 marks. In this, there will be two unseen passages. The first one will be a factual passage of 300 to 350 words with 8 short answer type questions. Total weightage is 8 marks. The next passage will be a discursive passage of 350 to 400 words with 4 short answer type questions. Total weightage given is 12 marks. Section B, that is writing and grammar. This will be carrying a weightage of 25 marks. In this, the letter written to the editor, which has to be written in 100 to 120 words, this will be of 5 marks weightage. Writing a short story based on the given outline in 150 to 200 words, this will carry 10 marks weightage. This is the syllabus for grammar. In this, filling the gaps will carry 3 marks. Editing or omission will be for 4 marks. Sentences reordering or sentence transformation in context, this will carry 3 marks. Then your section C, that is based on literature textbook and long reading text, which is for 25 marks weightage. In this, the extracts from prose or poetry or play for reference to context, there will be 3 very short answer questions totaling to 3 marks. Here you can see 1 mark in each extract will be given for vocabulary. 1 question will be used for testing local and global comprehension, and 1 question will be on interpretation. Then further, there will be 4 short answer questions from the literature reader, which have to be attempted in 30 to 40 words each. They will carry 8 marks weightage. 1 out of 2 long answer type questions have to be attempted on values inherent in the text. They have to be written in 80 to 100 words and will be for 4 marks. Then there will be 1 out of 2 very long answer questions which have to be attempted in 150 to 200 words based on the prescribed novel and will carry 10 marks. This is the design of the question paper. Here you can see reading skills. There will be 12 very short answer questions of 1 mark each. There will be 4 short answer questions which have to be written in 30 to 40 words which carry 2 marks each. Total weightage is 20 marks. Creative writing skills and grammar. In this, there will be 10 very short answer questions of 1 mark each. There will be 1 long answer question 2 which has to be written in 100 to 120 words for 5 marks. And there will be 1 very long answer question 150 to 200 words carrying 10 marks. Total weightage is 25. The next section, literature and textbooks. There will be 3 1-marker questions. Then there will be 4 short answer questions of 2 marks each. There will be 1 long answer 1 type of question which has to be written in 80 to 100 words which carries 4 marks. And then there will be 1 very long answer question which has to be attempted in 150 to 200 words and carries 10 marks. Total weightage is 25. Assessment of speaking and listening skills, this will carry 20 marks. Thank you. We have similar videos on other subjects and do subscribe to Success CD's Education.